how to build a summit funnel on Clickfunnels. But before we start, you can try out Clickfunnels for free for 14 days by using my link in the description. Clickfunnels is a SaaS platform that provides tools for businesses to create high-converting sales funnels, websites, landing pages, and other marketing assets. First, let's click on Pricing on the top on their website. Here, you can see their different pricing plans, starting with Startup and Pro. You can also select between monthly plans and annual discount on the top. You can see the different pricings for monthly and annual. Now, from this page, let's scroll up and click on Login on the top, and click on ClickFunnels. Over here, put in your email address and click on Continue. After that, you will receive a verification code on your email. Just type in the number over here. So after you type in the number, just click on Continue. Then, you'll be redirected to the dashboard of ClickFunnels. As you can see, we're now in the dashboard. On the left here, you will get to see all of these options for ClickFunnels, such as funnels, products, customers, learn and connect, and also for apps. Let's click on Funnels. Over here, you will get to see all your funnels on this page. As you can see, all my previous funnels are right here. This way, if you create funnels, they will be available for you to access from here. For this video, we need to click on Create Funnel on the top right corner. After that, you'll be taken to this page. Give it some time to load up. This is where you can choose the funnel that you want to create. You can scroll down and look through the options, and you will notice that there are a lot of options to choose from. But since we're gonna create a summit funnel, let's scroll up to the top. Here, you will get to see summit funnels, so just click on Select. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. Right under Funnel Overview, you can see the different steps right here. After going through them, scroll down further, and you can browse through the templates. So here, you can click on Select Funnel on whichever one that you prefer. Let's go with this one right here. After that, you will get to see this pop-up that says Installing your new funnel. Sometimes it may take a while, so you need to be patient and wait it out. Since we're using this funnel for the first time, it's taking this long. But if you've previously used a certain funnel, it might load up faster. So as you can see, the funnel has now been installed. Here, you need to click on Customize Now. Then, you'll be redirected to the editor page of ClickFunnels. As you can see, we're now here. You will get to see all the pages like Option page, Order page, Thank you page, and the Summit page that you just added. So now, let's scroll up to the top. Here, hover over on this section and click on Edit. You will then be taken to the ClickFunnels editor. Just wait for it to load up and you will get to view the page. Over here, you can edit and make changes to all the elements of the page. You can customize and change all the text as well. Now, let's scroll down and check out the page. You can see all the different sections that were already added in the template. Here, if you scroll down further, you can replace these texts and images in order to fit your own summit. If you want to make it look completely different, you can do that. But if you want to keep it similar, but only change the information and pictures, that is a good option as well. Here, on this event schedule section, you can put in your event dates and also the timing for different events. And if you have your events on different days, you can also put in the information here. And on the bottom, you have the Register Free Now option. You can put in your link for people to register. Now, let's click on the next page from the left panel. After that, you will get to see this loading page and you will be redirected to the next page. Here, you will get to see the section where your users can put in their information. You can make changes to the different input sections or keep it the same. Just add your own information on the right. Now, let's click on the next page from the left panel. So after that, you'll be taken to this page. This is the thank you page for your customers. Here, you have the order confirmation section on the bottom. Now, let's click on the last page from the left panel. Just wait a while on the loading screen and you will be redirected to the next page. This is the summit page that you wanted. Here, you can add detailed information about your summit, including the topic, and also put in information for challenges to make it fun. Make sure to add as much information as possible. And also, you need to keep in mind to add information about what they will receive when they complete the challenge. That way, they're more likely to go through. So after you're done with this page, let's go back to the first page again. Then, scroll up to the top. Here, let's click on Logo on the top left. After that, you will get to see all of these options on the right panel. For the source of your logo, you can upload your own photo or choose one from the available options on Clickfunnels. You can also use AI-generated images if you want. So for now, let's go ahead and click on this image icon right here. After that, you will get to see this pop up. Here, you can see all images that you can choose from. You can see the different images that are added on your different pages. You can also click on AI generated from the left to check out the AI generated images. And right under Discover, you can see these sections. For now, I will choose this image. And as you can see, it has been updated right away. And if you click on this register button, you can also change the text of your button. And on button action, you can set different actions for this particular button. So choose your desired one. So this way, go through the informations and make sure you've put in all the correct details. Here, you can also change the date just by selecting the text and replacing it with whatever you want. So once you're done making all the changes on your page, all you need to do is click on Save on the top right corner. And if you have unfulfilled information, you will get this error. For now, let's click on Save anyway. After that, your page will be saved, and you will get to see the saving text on the top right corner. Once it's done, the saving text will disappear, and it will show saved. Now, let's go back and head over to the funnels page. Once you're here, you will get to see the summit funnel that you just created right here. You can view different options to customize it further on this section. Now, let's just click on the funnel. After that, you will get to see this loading screen again. Then, you'll be able to view this page again. Now on the top, let's click on this icon right here. You will then be taken to the funnels page that you just created. As you can see, you will get a live preview of the page you just created. You can scroll through the page and check out exactly what it will look like to your audience. And if you want to make further changes before publishing it, you can just go back and do that before publishing. And that is exactly how to build a summit funnel on ClickFunnels.